to everyone. Today, I'm going to clarify some people's doubt. Uh, in my YouTube channel, some people ask me some questions about pet. Okay, now they talk of training a dog. I just thought of to send them the message today and give them the rightful information. To train a dog is very simple, but you must understand a dog or your pet or your puppy or your dog before you can train that dog. So dogs have their ways in which they communicate. You know, dogs cannot speak like human beings, you understand? But they have their ways for communication. They can communicate with us through what they call body language. Dogs have what they call body language. You understand? So now, how can we understand the message in which our dog is trying to pass to us? It's simple. We'll talk of some few ways to understand a dog today, or a language in which a dog is using to pass his or her message. One, we have his or her tail, the body, the sound, the eyes, and the ears. Firstly, I'll handle the tail. When you approach a dog in a house, or you have your dog, always try to study the dog. Now, this is our case in point. I have my dog, or I bash into a compound, I meet a dog, and the dog is barking. Now, what will I do? I'll first of all try to study the dog and understand the message in which the dog is trying to pass. I hope I'm making sense. Now, what are we going to do? I am going to look at the dog. Once the dog is barking, at times you see the tail of the dog is half, but standing up like it, but not too up, but just half. Now the dog is swimming the tail like this and barking. No, don't be afraid. Handle your courage. Because what we notice today is that people misinterpret dog because of lack of knowledge. They lack knowledge, that is why they misinterpret dogs. Now, look at the dog. When the dog is doing like this, I guarantee you 100%, the dog will never bite you. The dog is passing a message of friendship. That is, the dog is accepting you. The dog is happy. They don't want to play with you. They don't want you to touch him or her. I hope I'm making sense. So look at this point. Now, when you go closer to the dog, and we don't just approach dogs like this. Once you are going closer to the dog, go gently and talking to the dog. You need to talk. You need to talk. Talk to the dog as if you're talking to a lovely someone. Chat with the dog. Now, we have another situation where the dog is having the tail straight up and the eyes are wider, looking at you, and the dog is barking. Note, this is sign of domination. The dog is only dominating. I hope I'm making sense. The dog is either dominating the master or something at the present situation. Now, look at the situation at that time. The dog might be dominating something at that time. I hope I'm making sense. Now, we need to understand that when the tail is in between the legs, the dog is simply being afraid. But not only that, the dog is being submissive to you, or trying to calm down, or something is around that area in which the dog is afraid of. So always try to read our dogs in terms of the present situation. You will understand all dogs, all pets you comes across in the world. Now, when, for instance, we talk of training our puppy. How can we train a puppy? It's very simple. Don't be misinformed by messages from YouTube. Yes, because YouTube will always give you explanation, but they will not show you the real practical. They don't give quotation. They don't inform or say on training dogs, this guy have said that. No. Follow dog trainers, or dog depends on the present situation. In a Frenchman will say, terrain impose le manœuvre. Yes, it's true. The present situation give you the room to know how to handle a dog, and not everybody is a trainer. You can have the explanation, but if you are not a trainer, or the dog, or you didn't attend a training school, or you are not carrying a training course, you can never train a pet. You only mislead a dog rather than training that dog. We should be very careful in misleading pet. That is the simple truth. Be very careful. Now to train a puppy is very simple. God. Now that's